Imagine uploading a handful of photos and watching them morph into a polished, engaging video that captivates thousands. No camera crew, no editing skills required. While creators wrestle with villains like clunky slideshow tools, mismatched transitions, and hours of manual tweaks leading to burnout, Pictory AI's image-to-video feature bursts in as the hero, automating stunning visuals-to-video magic in minutes. I've tested countless AI editors, but Pictory's seamless stitching turns static images into dynamic stories. Picture viral reels or tutorials exploding your reach overnight. Ready to banish tedious production forever? Let's dive into this step-by-step tutorial. Outdated image tools are silent saboteurs, forcing awkward fades, limiting customization, and wasting days on basic videos that flop. In 2025, Pictory AI isn't just convenient, it's essential, slashing creation time by 90% with AI-driven storyboards and pro features like Voiceovers boosting engagement by 20%. This hero empowers beginners to pros, repurposing photos into content gold. Skip it and you're grinding while rivals dominate feeds. But hold on, follow these steps and your visuals will come alive effortlessly. Step 1. Sign up and access the feature. Start strong. Grab my referral link in the description and get free pro trial. No card needed. Unlock 3 videos, instantly log in, then click Visuals to Video on the homepage. It's your gateway to AI magic. Pro tip: prep high-res images for best results. Shocked at the simplicity? Next, upload your arsenal. Step 2. Select and upload your images. Browse your files and select images, video clips, or a mix. Pictory handles it all for cohesive storytelling. Hit upload and watch the progress bar. Add more if needed via Add More Files. This villain slayer stitches them seamlessly. Feels too easy? Wait for the storyboard reveal. Step 3. Review and customize the storyboard. Pictory auto-generates a storyboard, assigning each image its scene with smart transitions. Dive in, swap visuals, apply brand kits, logos, fonts, colors, and tweak durations. For that pro edge, experiment with layouts. Thousands swear by this for viral shorts. Now, amp it with audio. Step 4. Add voiceovers and music. Elevate with AI voiceovers. Choose from 7 languages or integrate 11 labs for hyper-realistic tones in 29. Plus, layer royalty-free music from thousands of tracks, syncing perfectly. Add text overlays or effects for punch. This turns flat images into emotional narratives, almost cinematic. Preview next. Step 5. Preview, edit, and generate. Click Preview to watch your creation unfold. Spot glitches and refine on the fly. Edit like a doc. Trim scenes. Adjust pacing. Satisfied? Generate in HD, download watermark-free, or share directly. Best practice. Test variations for optimal engagement. Your video ready to shine. Advanced tips, optimization, and best practices. For FOMO-level results, use 18 million plus stock assets if your images need boosts. Auto captions spike views by 12% limitations. Free trial caps at 3 videos. Upgrade to standard. $23 per month for unlimited. Batch upload for efficiency. Scale your content empire. Pictory AI's image-to-video banishes creation chaos, handing you pro videos that drive traffic and sales. With 4.7 out of 5 stars and millions of users, it's the 2025 game changer. You've got the tutorial. Will you transform your images before everyone else? Subscribe for AI tips, like, share, grab my referral link in the description and get free pro trial, and use my link below for 20% off. Viral masterpiece awaits.